Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a wig from Nadula Hair. Of course, all of their information will be in the description box below. This wig that I'm working with today is their 18-inch Kinky Curly V-part wig, and this wig is actually so pretty. I can't wait to install it. It comes with 4 clips, 2 on each side through the V-part area. It has 2 clips on the sides, and then it also has a clip on the scalp area and a clip towards the back of your neck area, and 2 what do you call those little rubber band things, you know what I mean, 2 of those. So for this style, I have my hair just going straight back in braids, and I left my edges out in the front, and I'm going to go ahead and slip the wig on and begin styling it. So for this install, I decided that I don't want to do any leave out, only because the texture of my hair isn't 100%, doesn't really match, 100% like the texture of this hair. Um, but I think I can make it blend really well so that you can't tell that I don't have any leave out. Anyways, that's the goal. I've seen like a few people do this, so I'm just going to go ahead and give it a try. So I decided that I was going to clip the clips onto each of the anchor braids that I have in the front of my head, just leaving the part out in the middle and my edges. So I decided that I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges first, because I know I still have to go through and style my hair, so I have more time for my edges to like lay while I style the hair. So I just wanted to go ahead and get this out the way. I'm using the red edge booster, edge control for my edges, and I'm just going to lay that with a wrap. Now I'm just going through with my spray bottle and kind of like styling the curls. The curls are pretty already, but they looked a little dry and they needed some moisture. So I just took a spray bottle. There's nothing in there but water. I'm gonna come through it and I'm putting foam on it just to kind of like enhance the curls. But actually, I figured out that this foam that I'm using actually doesn't work that well on these curls, because it made the hair kind of like, it dried into more of an afro instead of defined curls. So I actually wound up using this curl defining cream that I have from Shea Moisture. And that helps really, really well, because this hair is actually kind of dry, so you do have to put something on it to keep it moist, but it's really not that hard to maintain. Now, as you can tell, there's a huge gap where my part is, so I'm going through with my comb and my Got To Be Free spray and blow dryer, and I'm trying to cover up, not necessarily the part, but if you look very closely, there's like this little line of lace that's left out. So I'm just trying to cover that part so that you can't see lace at the top of my head. In doing this, I realized that my part was still kind of wide. So I did actually wind up going back and closing that part a little bit, like just shifting the clips closer together so that the part is not as wide. But you still have to kind of like do this little trick right here where you just take a comb, move it over the lace, spray it with the free spray, and blow dry it in place just to cover that lace part. Or you can try and cut the lace off, but I didn't do that right here. Now I'm just going through and cutting some layers in the front to shape my face and going through and just doing some finishing touches on the hair. But honestly, that's it. Like you put the wig on, cover up your part, and do your edges, and maybe like spruce up the hair a little bit with some water, a spray bottle. But that's it, honey. Ain't nothing else. Nothing else to see here. That's it. Like it's so simple. I was actually really surprised, and it looks so natural. I really like this texture because it looks like I have natural like 3B, 3C texture hair when I don't. I definitely got that 4C hair, but definitely it was cute to like switch it up for a second to see how this would look on me, and I think it's super super cute. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. A couple of things about this hair, like I said earlier, it is kind of dry, so as long as you find like a good product to define your curls and keep it moisturized, then you'll be good to go. But besides that, I had no problems with shedding, none of that. Like it's like a perfect wig. It's really weird. But yeah, that's really it for this video, you guys. Also, because I left out enough hair around my edges area in the front, I'm actually able to pull this hair back, and create kind of like cute hairstyles. Like I can do like a half up, half down, do a bun or whatever. So that wasn't the intention. Like that was not my original intent, but I just discovered that I can do that. So definitely give that a try. I thought that was super cute, and it looks so natural. Like you can't even tell. And it looks even better. It looked even better after I closed my part right here because the part is still a little wide. But after I closed that some, which you can see like in the pictures, on the thumbnail, like it looks so good. Anyways, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And that's it. Thanks. Adios. Till next time.